Today I have gotten more jailbreak tweaks that compatible with iOS 13 to 13.5.1. So for the first one here, it is a tweak for message. And if you go to message, you have a ton of feature on the left. So you're gonna find a new button here on the left side. When you click on it, you're gonna see a bunch of buttons that pop up here. So for the first one, you can show all the message that you have here. For the next button, you can go to the message that you haven't read. So if you click on this one, these are the messages that I haven't read, so you can see from here. So I'm gonna go back to the full message here, and there are more features where you can just highlight that, and then you can hide your message. And if you swipe from here, you can pin to the top, and then you can show alert. And I'm gonna hide the message here. And for the message that you have already hide, it also locked with your Face ID or your Touch ID. So if you have Touch ID or Face ID devices, it's gonna give you more secure. So if I click on here and then go to hidden message, and I need to confirm with my Face ID, otherwise it doesn't show up. So I'm gonna try my Face ID again. And now you can see the message that you have been hide, so you can see from here. And one more thing, you can take the message too. So I'm gonna go back to the full message. You can just hold on the message and then you can take on it. So you can take and select different color. So let's say I want to take this message to green. And then you're gonna see the green button here. So when I click on this and go to green section, you're gonna see your message here. To secure the message that you have been hide, you can go back to settings. And then you're gonna go to iris, and then you're gonna enable this button called secure hidden. So you can enable it so your conversation that you have been hide will be secure. Next one, it is a tweak that basically gives you a new feature on reachability. Usually when you swipe down at the bottom of your iPhone X, you're gonna go to reachability. But now instead of reachability, when I swipe down, it brings the control center instead of it. So you can change this as well. Go back to settings and then go to action here where you can select your notification. So I can just swipe down to go to notification now. Colorful switch let you change the color on switch on your iPhone system. So you can change the switch button here. So I'm gonna go to yellow. You have a bunch of color that you can choose from here. And now I'm gonna go to yellow and then I can just apply change. And now I'm gonna go back to settings. So we're gonna enable some button here. So you can see on Bluetooth, the color now has been changed to yellow. And it does work system-wide and even on notification. So when you have the turn on and off button, you're gonna see the new color here. With this simple tweak, previously I made a video on it as well, but I made a mistake. So these tweaks allow you to lock your device by face your phone down, but you need to face it for a while and then your phone will be turned off. So I'm gonna face it down now. Now you can see my phone has been locked, and you need to face your phone into the flat surface, otherwise it doesn't work. So make sure you face it on a flat surface and then your phone will be locked. So for GlyphAlert, it's gonna give you an animation whenever you receive the new notification on your lock screen. So you can select for specific application, just go to assign animations here, and then you're gonna select your specific application that you want to have the animation on your lock screen. So I'm gonna go to let's say I'm gonna go to Messenger here, and then we have a bunch of animation here where you can select the one that you like. So let's go to this one, and whenever you select on it, you're gonna see the preview. So it is very convenient. So let's go to camera here, let's go to airplane. So we got a very nice animation. So there are a lot of them. And you can just go back and select more applications. You can select different animation for each application. So you can select on message, you can select the other animation, so you can easily remember the message from which app that it does receive from. so it is much more convenient. I think with this awesome tweak, it is very useful when you forgot the Wi-Fi password, and sometimes when you go into the place and then your phone, one of your phone that have been connected to the Wi-Fi, but you forgot the password, and now you can share the Wi-Fi password as a QR code, so you can see the new button at the bottom here of your Wi-Fi. So you can select on share current Wi-Fi here, and then it's gonna pop up your QR code. And with the other phone that you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, you can just go back to camera, and then you can just place it like that. And then on the top you're gonna see the message that you can join the Wi-Fi. Click on it, click on join, and then your phone will be automatically joined to Wi-Fi without having to manually type in the passcode. And you can see now my other phone has been connected to the Wi-Fi. You may already have seen it from the beginning of the video. You can see the number on the status bar on my iPhone here. So on the cellular data, instead of the bar, you can see the number, and on Wi-Fi too. So it's gonna turn those bar into the number. For the tweak, it is basically built for Google Maps. So for Google Maps, and now when you click on, let's say you go to this place and then you start your direction, and you can see my time here, it is 8:53. But now when I click on direction and start here, it's gonna replace my current time on status bar into the time arrival. You can see the destination that I have just selected here. I'm gonna arrive on 9:59, and on my status bar on the top it has just replaced with that time, so you can see exactly what time that you gonna arrive on that place. Lastly, we're gonna go to BTPower. It is a trick that shows the current headset battery level with your status bar, and you can see from the preview here. And I hope I can show you on this as well, but I don't have the Bluetooth headset, so unfortunately I cannot demonstrate to you, but you can install it and try it out. You can see the headset battery level on the status bar with the Bluetooth headset. So finally, thanks for watching. I hope you like all of these tweaks, and then I will catch you guys in the next one. One more thing, if you want to get these themes, you can check in my video description.